Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will require us to solve a particular problem that involves algebra. Alright? So using the steps involved, we have these 6 steps, okay? That is on the right hand corner, top right hand corner. Well, step 1, let's read the question. And we try to identify the unknown. And actually in this question, they have given us an unknown x. So for this particular question, we already has a letter that represents the unknown. And for part A, we express other quantity in terms of x. The next 2 multiples of 3, we are going to write in terms of x. And so, x is a multiple of 3. So just to give you a context, multiples of 3s equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, And what do you think we always do? We always plus 3 to each multiple, right? So on and so forth. And therefore, if we were to have the next 2 multiples of 3 starting from x, then you would see me writing this down. The next 2 multiples of 3s after x will be equals to, we start with x, right? The next one will be plus 3. And if I have x, the second multiple after x will be I plus 3 and I plus 3. And therefore, the final answer would then have x plus 3, x plus 6. That will be the answer for part A. For part B, now, we are talking about the sum of these 3 consecutive multiples of 3 is 99. You write down, but you don't simplify this equation in terms of x. So for part B, right, we just require us to write down an equation, meaning we have the first multiple of 3x, and sum means plus. The next 2 multiple is x plus 3 and x plus 6. And the question tells me this sum equals to 99. And they also tell me we do not have to simplify at this juncture. So this will be the answer for part B. Lastly, we will need to then solve this equation in part C. Okay? And so for part C, right, our job is to then simplify this. So I will have x plus x plus x, 3x, plus 6, positive 9, continue to be equals to 99. And therefore, from here, I'm going to minus 9 on both sides, so that I'm only left with 3x here. Here will be 90. And going to have some space at the side. So what do you think? What should I do next? Very good. You guys are thinking nicely. So I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So that my next line will look like this. 1x will be equals to 90. Divide by 3, 30. Okay? So I've successfully gotten my first number. And my next two multiples of 3 would then be, and my next two answer will be, the next two, the first one will be x plus 3, the next multiple will be 30 plus 3 is 33. And the next one would then be 30 plus 6, 36. With that, we have successfully formed an equation in part B. Solve the equation. And last but not least, we will write down the answer statement. And so, finally, the answer statement will be the 3 consecutive multiples are 30, 33, 36. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.